pharma company making a life-saving drug? Choose from our huge database of verified suppliers and have everything from equipment to raw materials delivered to your doorstep. Need a packager? No problem. Ship it to any part of the world. There you go. Would a chat make it easier? Send quotations, receive POs, send invoices, and get payment receipts. Farmers, greater choice, faster transactions.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jaideep Malhotra, and I am founder of this company called Farmers. Our company name is Fission Digital Platforms Private Limited, and our brand is Farmers. First of all, I'd like to thank Ty for giving us this opportunity. And what we do is, we are an online marketplace of pharmaceutical industry. So this is our vision, to be the best decision-making tool for pharmaceutical industry players. And the mission is to organize the pharmaceutical industry market. So this is what we have got from IMS report, that global sales in 2014 for the global pharmaceutical market was somewhere around $105 billion. It is growing at the rate of 8 to 10%. But this is not a complete target market, it is a total market. So if you see this slide, this is from one of the sources of that big pharmaceutical companies are spending more than 20 to 25% on their sales on marketing budget. And out of this is the amount which they are spending on their digital marketing efforts which they are doing. Somewhere around $2.5 billion in 2014. It is growing at the rate of 30%. So this figure is only about the formulation part of the business. Apart from that, there are 12 more categories which are investing heavily these days on digital marketing. And this is a chart how these markets are growing. So before I start, just to address what we do is, that is a total digital marketing effort which people are making. But if you see that, this is a total marketing effort, but we charge 1% to 2% they consume on the transaction which they make, which is from e-processing to other tools. And these are the challenges which this pharmaceutical industry is making. This highly volatile market, there's lack of market visibility, the high research and marketing costs which you have already seen, the company is investing heavily. There's a communication time lag which we are addressing to our business, and the shrinking margins which companies are targeting it. So what is the efficiency current system? Suppose you are a user in pharmaceutical industry and you are looking for the raw material or packaging material which you are looking for. So what you do right now is you go to a search tool, or you go to a marketplace like Alibaba, Trade India, IndiaMart, you find a supplier. But what happens? You get an inquiry online through email. After that, process goes offline. In every traditional business market, online B2B marketplace, whether Trade India, IndiaMart, anyone, you just receive an email. After email, process goes offline. You connect the supplier offline. You make the deal happen. And from inquiry to PO generation, where the decision-making time is not more than 1 or 2 hours, but it takes you 2 days to complete that business transaction. So the solution of this problem is the Farmers. Farmers is an online app, or a portal, where you can do complete business transaction online. From discovery to inquiry generation, to quotation, to purchase order, to invoice generation. So how does it work? So how we are going to organize this market? Here we are going to connect medical shops to fine chemical manufacturers. So medical shop will give requirement to wholesale dealers. Dealers give requirement to PCD marketing distribution companies. Then it comes to contract manufacturer, then bulk drugs, then intermediate experience, and fine chemicals. And to help them all, there are packaging companies, plant and machinery, lab equipment, regulatory companies, and other related services in the pharmaceutical industry. How does it work? So you enter your requirement in the app, you get the supplier, you shortlist supplier, you send them inquiry, you receive quotation, you can negotiate online on a chat, then only you can generate purchase order, you can receive invoice, and you can exchange payment credits, and the process is done. So the time taken, we are reducing it to 1 hour if your decision is done. So what is the key differentiator? Here there is an app, it is on mobile, so you can search here, you can search for categories here, then just a second. So you can search the product here. Then then you can send then you can send inquiry. Once when you send inquiry, you can receive quotation on that platform only. On every document exchange, you can do simultaneous chat also. I'll show you how app it works. So from quotation, purchase order, perform all done on an app only. Plus, you'll receive email copy of that also. In every transaction, you receive one email copy. So what happens if I ask you in the business cycle, one should receive only 6 emails. One is inquiry, another is quotation, third is purchase order, fourth is invoice, fifth is delivery receipt, another is payment receipt. But we get, for one business transaction, we get more than 50 emails. More on payment confirmation, negotiation, everything, which should not be the exact communication which we were supposed to make. It happens on Messenger separately, it happens on phone calls. So what we are doing, we are aggregating all discussion here. The unique advantage which we have or other apps which exist like WhatsApp or any other app which business community is using these days is, in WhatsApp you can only send images and videos, but here you can send Word docs and PDFs. So because in our business especially, there's so much of technical documents which are exchanging every day. So you can send these documents through chat on that particular document only. Suppose somebody is looking in quotation, they are looking for your COA and other documents, you go to chat, you just send the document. So, and it is completely safe for the life. So after 3 years, if you want to know what was my business communication related to that particular document, you can retrieve it instead of searching your mailboxes. So who are our competitors? These are main competitors: Alibaba, Trade India, IndiaMart. As I am telling you, these all are just discovery tools. After that, there is no process. Alibaba has a process, but they charge you very hefty amount. They charge you somewhere 60,000, 65,000 for their gold and premium customer, for that kind of service which they are providing. So what are the revenue heads which we are focusing on? One is subscription, another is keyword search, analytics, and customized sales and marketing campaigns. So subscription is like this. What I have shown you is a single user setup, but we have multiple user setup. Suppose on one particular document you don't want to talk to your external external customer, but your internal team. So what you can do is you can flag off customer, you can flag in your internal team, and you can talk. You can just talk on that document. You don't need to CC emails to them. So there's no another communication channel which you need to use to do your complete business transaction. And there we are going to charge. Our subscription model is very simple. Plus one single user we are providing to each company free of cost. Every additional user is 1,000 rupees per month per user. Then we have bundle pack also. Plus these are the another 3 revenue channels which we need to figure it out how much we are going to charge. So what are the current numbers? We started this company in 2015 October. I started marketing this company in Feb 2015. Our current burn rate is 2 lakhs, which is in 3 full-time employees, HR, website, and these are things where we are spending. What is current traction? We have 40 registered companies already with us, in which there are 4 group of companies, 2 listed companies, and one of the companies, Full Life Healthcare, in which already Mr. Jhunjhunwala is invested. So where 20 lakhs will go, that we want to do complete iOS, Android, and website in-house development, where it will go. Then other is sales manager, which we need. Right now I am the only person. Then in PR and marketing, servers. So that burn would consume nearly 5 lakhs per month. So this is, after 20 lakhs, this would be the use for next 4 months. So what is the projection? We are not expecting anything till June. After June, that is what the numbers we are targeting at. Because right now, in last 2 days, I have already listed 5 new companies, and we are expecting that in next month, we should have more than 150 more companies signed up with our system, and then we'll start charging by June. By June, we are expecting something like 1,000 users we should have, and out of those 1,000 users, we would be able to sell additional users this much amount, and these are the revenue numbers which we are targeting at. So these are the expected users which we are targeting. The Q1 is June onwards, not before that. So these are the few key users. This is SMS Pharmaceuticals from Hyderabad. These are Full Life Healthcare. This is Rajasthan Antibiotics, DK Pharmachem, Genex, and there are more than 40+ companies. we are the founders. I am Jaideep Malhotra, and here he is my elder brother, this is Vikram Malhotra. This is our second company. We have already found. Can you 1 minute? So we have already co-founded one more company. It is our second company in same space. We co-founded one company, PharmaSearch.com, in 2011. Right now, there we are generating 2.5 crores. It is completely bootstrapped, completely profit-making company. And there we have more than 1,000 users, but it's more offline channels. So we are onboarding first those 1,000 customers in quickly. And my background is this, which you have seen. And this is all. Thank you. Thanks.
Questions? Questions, gentlemen? Yes, we have one here.
You said like you are onboarding all your offline to online, sir. So did you make any profits on your earlier venture?
Yeah, it is completely profitable. That company is completely a marketing company. Their business comes from the order which we make. That is marketing commission which we get. So that was a challenge, because what happens, we get 100 inquiries, 200 inquiries per day, but when it comes to conversion, it is hardly 10%, 20% which we convert. Only reason is there we are responsible for making complete deal happen. In that we lose out so many customers, so many suppliers, they are complaining with us, you are not giving us feedback, and that was a challenge which we are addressing in this new business. So here we are not charging anything on marketing commission. Here we are making field open to the people everywhere.
Yeah, I just wanted to understand, when you say Alibaba and some of them are your competitors,
Yeah.
so when you're building a B2B marketplace, I mean the depth of what you need to build as a product, the breadth of the number of players you need to get on your marketplace,
Yes.
because the efficacy of the marketplace is a function of how many people you get on, right?
Yep.
So how do you plan to fund all that? Can you give me a 3-year sort of projection of what you think you'll need in terms of the next 3 years?
Money?
Yeah.
This is what we are expecting.
Can you just add it up? This is just right?
Yeah. So we are this year we are expecting more than 1 CR as an investment, which we are looking at. Next year we are looking at somewhere around 5 crores. And most of the effort will go in sales and marketing and a PR.
How much are you budgeting for product development?
Product, right now we are expecting, which I told you already, 5 lakh. So it is going to be not more than 50 lakhs per year. Because we need 4 Android developers, 4 iOS, and 4 web people to manage app. At least minimum, that is what visibility we have. Right now I have 1 Android developer, 1 iOS guy which is outsourced. So the product is stable, but still once we have more and more users, our investment cost will go up. If anybody wants to see an app, I can show you that app.
Any more questions? Questions there? No? Time for the verdict? Again, remember blue and green, no reds. Right, so with the count together, we will say 1, 2, and 3. You have all reds. All right, all the best. Any feedback for the gentleman here? Any feedback? No? All right, all the best, Jaideep. Thank you so much.